Well, hey there, maybe you know exactly what it is you want to sell, how you want to sell it, but you're trying to figure out how to package this thing up and put the perfect price tag to where you're being fair to yourself on what you believe that you deserve to be paid, and being fair to the person who is going to be hiring you. So what I wanted to do is just take you behind the scenes, because I have inside of my course a whole section of clarity of income. So, and if we go to the bottom of this section, I have this income calculator. So I'm not going to dive deep, but I wanted to come in here and just show you how to reverse engineer your income goals. You know, when everybody starts out, they're like, oh my goodness, you know, I'm going to make $1 million a year being a coach or selling courses. And all of that is great. And I think you should go after that. But we got to have baby steps to get us there. We got to first start replacing our current income, or a part-time job, maybe if you were working a job and a half. And so I'll show you how to use a calculator, and you can use a regular calculator for this. This is just a spreadsheet that I have for my students, and it'll be easier for me to show you using this. So let's say that you are selling, I will just use this example here. Let's say you're selling one-on-one coaching, and you are selling packages for $1,500 a month. Your goal is $100,000 a year. This is how many you need to sell. This is how many months to reach this goal. And this is how many you need to sell each month. So basically, this 5 to 6 coaching packages is 5 to 6 people. So if you're charging $1,500, let's actually just pull up a calculator. That way I can show you how to do this on a calculator. We're going to go ahead and let's say you need to sell 6, since this is 5.5, times 1,500. Equals 9,000, and then we're going to multiply that by 12, and you can see it's a little bit higher because we did 6 instead of 5.5, but that will get you to $108,000 a year. So now you know, okay, if I'm selling my coaching packages for $1,500 and I want to make $100,000, I need to sell basically 5 to 6 each month, which means you have 5 to 6 clients. Easy cheesy pleasy. So let's go into, let's say that you are selling a course, and you're selling your course for $3,500, and your goal is $100,000 a year. We'll just leave it at that. Or, you know what, let's change it. Let's make it, let's say your income goal is $70,000. You're just trying to replace maybe what you're bringing in now. So you need to sell 20 of these over 12 months, and what you need to do is sell basically 1.5 a month. So let's just say 2. So let's pull up our calculator again. And again, 3,500. Okay, and we're going to say you're going to sell 2 a month equals times 12 equals. And because we did 2 and not 1.6, that's why this number is higher than this number. But by reverse engineering your goals, you can very easily see, number one, whether your goals are obtainable or not. So selling 2 courses at $3,500 should be a piece of cake if you know your avatar and all of your messaging and marketing is correct. And then, yeah, so make sure that when you are doing this, you're just being absolutely realistic. And like I always say, once you sell one, you can always scale and sell more to be more profitable. But this is just about getting you started. So you really need to think about what your first income goal is, and what you're selling your membership for or your coaching packages for, and then total up how many you need to sell each month and see if that number is doable. If that number is doable, fantastic. If that number is not doable, then you're going to have to tweak either how much you're selling it for, and maybe even your income goal in the beginning. So that's all. I just wanted to show you real quick how to reverse your income goals and make sure that what you are doing makes sense and isn't going to be a waste of time, but actually be profitable. So that's all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.